While they're just doing more sanding, I'm going to page through this folio of finished and started parchment scrolls. We, the King and Queen of Anstior, in recognition of special contributions of service to our realm, do by this charter elevate to the rank and estate of Companion of the Order of the Star of Merit of Anstior, with all responsibilities and privileges thereto appertaining. This is so done and given in our, and it'll be barony or shire of, that's left blank, so you can, this is a scroll blank. So they leave the place and the date and the names of the king and queen blank, so that it can be filled in and then signed when the award is given.
The spine is the thickest part. What they used to do is take their pages.
And this is also a scroll blank.
And the other side, and try not to cross.
Actually,
if they did,
no, it's identical. It's just color. It's just that colored in
the center, so that's where the gold would be.
But it's still blank.
They tried more to get it on this side. I was doing for the codex. I was trying to get as much as I can out of the sheet, and so some of the pages
for basically neutralizing the line
at this edge, because I was using
three of
these and two of those.
We, their highnesses Anstiora, Prince Sir Simon of Amber Isle, Lord Mountain Gate, Baron Border March, Knight of the Society of Creative Anachronism, Order of the Laurel, a bunch of other initials I don't recognize, and in particular Princess Tessa of the Gardens, Lady Mountain Gate, Baroness Border March, Order of the Pelican, and more initials for awards I don't know because I'm not Anstioran. Do wish the following be known. In accordance with the customs of our reign, we do establish for the recognition of devoted service unto Anstiora, the Gilded Thorn of Anstiora, recipients of this award are to be announced as in favor of the Princess of Anstiora. Constitution of this approved by the Crown of Aidenvelt, February the 24th, Anno Societatis 13. So this is old. This is very old. As things in society go, we are in AS50. We're in Anno Societatis 52 right now.
When it does that, these areas disappear, because this is a result of all of the stress.
And this is a picture of the completed scroll.
As opposed to being uniformly distributed. Right around here, that's where it starts getting uniformly distributed.
Yeah.
There you go.
So then, if you were making it, you have a whole lot more square.
I'll get you this side.
Oh, this is beautiful.
I do that a lot.
So tiny, done with gold ink and paint.
You've got a small piece that you're doing that, you actually put a crease in the skin.
A whole lot better control over it.
The intricacy of the scribal work is just phenomenal.
Hold off a minute, let's dust it.
Alright, Masters, if you don't mind, let's take the time to actually lay out a skin and start laying down template patterns. And I'll show you what I do with